Super. All right, let's stay at this level of complexity when we're still not too much into details.
Sounds good.
But second type of drone that is obviously now taking over, well, Europe mostly because Europe suddenly found out that we don't have a defense against drones, is obviously the interceptor drones. They've appeared very rapidly as a response. I know they've been in development for a while now, they've been tested, but kind of like a lot of these new pushes have pushed the interceptor drones up to the task. What are the situation with them? How hard or easy it is to scale, and what are the challenges both for manufacturer, if you know,
Yeah.
pilots, if you know, and the targets they're trying to intercept?
I mean, honestly, it's the same problems with FPVs. It's just now we have a new thing that we got to make. Okay. Yeah, there are slightly different flight characteristics because they are usually of a different shape where how the munitions are placed and the batteries are placed. They are meant to fly typically upward versus sideways, so everything's rearranged. Um, other than that, it's really just scaling that production, and Ukraine, by and large, I would argue, um, does not have the. They're developing it, okay, but they've had to develop the infrastructure, but also the culture necessary for mass production. Okay, a lot of Ukrainians, the Ukrainians in my laboratory, they're amazing technicians, craftsmen. They can do anything, okay? But they don't, how do I say this? They don't work together. In other words, every guy has a drone and he fixes that one drone and then he moves on to the next drone. He does everything with that drone and he's responsible solely for that drone. He takes full responsibility for that drone. That is unfortunately an incredibly inefficient way to manufacture, repair, modify drones. Instead, what you got to do is each person has 3 to 5 tasks, and this guy does this guy does that, this guy does that, and it pass it on down the line. Well, then who takes responsibility? And you have this big argument about it. I would argue that the this is where the Ukrainian drive for independence that goes to the granular level down to every single individual person um, works against them. You know what I mean? And so building that cultural tradition of mass manufacturing is
Yeah.
also difficult when you have no money.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, money is definitely short for Ukraine.
hmm,
So you're saying basically that the interceptor drones are generally good, but Ukrainians just don't have the full manufacturing, um,
right,
how do you say, like a culture, so to say, its scale,
yeah,
and this
yeah.
is something for them to still to learn.